In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot an issue you're experiencing with your device or an app. It's a straightforward process that might just save you from endless frustration. So let's dive in and tackle this step by step. First things first, we need to try restarting both the app and your device. This may sound simple, but you'd be surprised at how often this clears up minor issues. When an app starts acting up, it can be due to temporary glitches or bugs that a restart can fix. Close the app completely and ensure it's not running in the background. Then restart your device. By doing this, you refresh the system's memory and processes, which can smooth out those little hiccups the app might be experiencing. If restarting doesn't do the trick, let's move on to clearing the app's cache. You'll need to head to your device settings for this. Once there, locate your Apps or Applications Manager, find the app in question, and tap it. You'll see an option to clear the cache. Clearing the cache means you're deleting temporary files that the app uses to function. These files can sometimes become corrupt, causing the app to behave unexpectedly. By purging these, you're providing the app with a clean slate to operate from. Now, if the problem persists, it could be that your app is out of date. Updates often include bug fixes and enhancements that improve both performance and security. Check the App Store for any available updates. If there is one, download and install it. By doing this, you're ensuring you're running the latest version, which might have addressed the very issue you're experiencing. Should you find that none of these steps have resolved the issue, it's time to try reinstalling the app. Begin by uninstalling the app from your device. This step might seem a bit drastic, but it's not uncommon for an app's installation files to become corrupted, leading to problems that only a clean reinstall can solve. Once you've uninstalled it, head back to your App Store and download it again. This fresh installation can often rectify lingering issues. Finally, if you've tried all these solutions and the issue still isn't resolved, it's time to contact QuickBooks support. There are dedicated professionals ready to assist you with your issue. They have the expertise to troubleshoot more complex problems beyond the basic steps we've covered today. Reach out to them through their official support channels and be sure to describe the issue as accurately as possible. This will help them provide the most effective solution in the quickest time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to fixing most common app issues. Remember, some patience and a methodical approach can resolve even the most stubborn problems. Thank you for watching, and if this guide has been helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.